Stop guessing. Use Junglescout to uncover winning products fast. And you can see Junglescout's website right here. There's also a link in the description. They do not have a free trial, but you can get a free demo, which is still pretty solid. Now, when you log into Junglescout, they do have a product database where you can pick any category you want. They've got product tier, different filters, a lot of different things that you can just plug and play to find different products to sell, right? And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do pet supplies, because pet supplies doesn't have that many certifications, right? A lot of people want to sell supplements like this, but the issue is Amazon's going to ask for tons of certifications. Pet supplies, usually more relaxed. Now, when we do this, we're going to do the price at $20 to $100, revenue $10,000 a month minimum, and we've got the reviews. And I'm going to do oversize, something a little bit different to try to stand out. Now, when we click search, what it's going to do is just kind of go through all of these different items, and we've got a fish tank, right? Nice. We want to have like a little shark at the house. We've got some different things right here. Hamster cage. Very nice, right? We can look through all of these to see what do we want to potentially launch. What do we want to double down on? Is there anything that interests us and stands out? And right off the bat, I do see this cat exercise wheel. That's something different. That stands out. I don't believe there's a lot of competitors. We can double check, but we're going to click view on Amazon. And this is just hilarious. It's making $10,000 a month, right? And it's a wheel for cats instead of your little hamster. Super hilarious. It has good reviews. 100 bought in the past month. They're selling it for $84 plus $20 shipping. So pretty much $100. And it's not even shipped or sold by Amazon, right? So a great product we found right off the get. Next one, we're going to do arts, crafts, and sewing. Same exact metrics, right? Except we're doing revenue $20,000 a month minimum. Clicking search. And then what we want to do is just find different types of products, right? So we have a all-in-one art paint set. This one's making $28,000 a month. Scroll down. What we want to do again is try to find something that's unique and something that stands out. So you can go through here, a mannequin. Hey, that could be a lot. I'm sure there's not that many competitors, so you can view that one. We'll come back to that. Mannequin, unfinished canvas, right? Art, leather, different types of things here. Heat press machine. Oh, interesting. A whole machine. Hey, we can double check into that. But anyway, in this category, we found a couple one. This one is only has 56 reviews and is making $22,000 a month. If you have, and again, they're not even using FBA. So a potential great product there. This mannequin, okay, this one has a bit of review, 717. So I'm going to click off of this one. Too many reviews. This is a professional all-in-one art painting kit. So people love kits, DIY kits that come with everything they need to do their own art. And you can see they're making $28,000 a month with only 22 reviews. Only 22. They're selling it for $100. This is completely insane. They're making so much money on this. So much money where I honestly want to start selling this kit. I don't know art though. So if you don't know the product, you don't know art, you might be selling shitty stuff. So you got to really double check, but still great opportunity. We're going to do another one in arts, crafts, and sewing. We're not going to do oversize, and we're going to fill out the data again, click search and try to find different products to sell. Rubber cement adhesive. Okay. A thick ceramic fiber blanket. Some of this stuff, I don't even know what the heck they're for, but people are buying them. Acrylics. So again, a lot of different items that you could sell potentially here. But one that I did was a laser engraver. That one's a little too complicated to sell. But one of them that I did sell is this reusable epoxy resin table mold. All it is a piece of plastic. This is it. It's it's not a mold. It's literally just a piece of plastic, right? So you get this piece of plastic and then you can make your own like little design inside of it. And it's just supposed to be heavy duty plastic that they're selling for $55. And they're making $21,000 a month. It's just insane the way they're marketing it, right? But if you look at the reviews, people are using this to like create amazing stuff, right? So they're using that to, I guess, create different things for themselves, like a little table or whatnot. I don't exactly know what this is. So these are the types of products that you need to figure out. But other products that I figured out were looking at Junglescout. This one's making $21,000 a month. It like finds ghosts. It only has 82 reviews and it's making a significant amount of money. Hey, this is the ghost season. I found this weird item that eats coins. It's not making like any money, but it's just so weird and unique that it gives me ideas for different items to sell. So just look at it. You put the batteries in and then it eats the coins. Very unique, very creepy. But I mean, it's all about having different ideas, something that stands out. And this one definitely stands out. The reason why the reviews are so bad is because the quality is so poor. So that's it for today's video. If you wanted to try out Junglescout, there is a discount in the description. But if you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is helping you launch on Amazon. So we'll help you find a product, launch the product, do all the designs, customer service, and make sure that you are generating profit. It's always smart to start with 3 to 5 different products in completely different categories to improve your chances of success. And we'll be there walking you through it step by step. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.